Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of Chinese Dessert Week, and today I am bringing you guys something uber traditional, and that is a black sesame pudding, 鸡麻糊. And it is a very humble dessert. It is made by toasting up black sesame until it gets super fragrant. Those of you who have had black sesame ice cream before, you know what I mean. And it is thickened with either ground up rice or rice flour. And it is just the most comforting pudding, but it is flavor packed for just how simple of ingredients it is. So I know it's not the prettiest to photograph, although I think it absolutely is. But you guys have to trust me on this one. I hope you guys all give it a try. So we're gonna start off by toasting 3/4 of a cup of black sesame for a couple of minutes. Now you want to just smell it, make sure that it's fragrant because it can take like 5 to 6 minutes. After which you want to put it up in a grinder and then grind it up really finely. Make sure to let it rest a little bit first because if it's too warm, you're definitely going to get sesame butter, which is not an issue, but you probably want to just keep it in powdered form. So in goes 6 tablespoons of glutinous rice flour to thicken everything up, and then about 3 tablespoons of a sweetener of your choice. And the cool thing about this recipe is you've essentially created an instant mix for this sesame pudding. And when you're ready to use it, you can just cook it up with some water and then it'll thicken up. So this can go in an airtight container. But if you are going to make it now, you want to add in, I'd say about 2.5, 3 times more water than you have mixture. So for this one, I'm gonna recommend between 2.5 to 3 cups of water. And because we are dealing with a starch, you want to add in cool water first, whisk it up, make sure that there are no lumps, and then just bring it up to a boil. Now, this dessert definitely does not need this, but I made some additional little mini mochi balls made out of glutinous rice flour as well, just to decorate for photos. But again, this pudding, super fragrant, slightly sweet. It's already good by itself, but this just adds a little extra texture and some additional sesame seeds on top. Oh gosh, it's so creamy and fantastic, and it just makes the whole room smell of toasted black sesame seeds. So good. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this very traditional Chinese dessert. And again, I will be back tomorrow with another Chinese dessert of the day. So I hope you all stay tuned. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys all again real soon. Bye!